What's up, y'all? It's your boy D-Mark back at it with Dream Driven Media. Oh, switched it up.
Threw me off a little bit.
Huh?
That did throw me off a little bit. I was like, wait, what?
But, yeah, Dream Driven Media. I'm gonna change the channel name to that. I already changed my Instagram name to that. So go follow me on Instagram. But yeah, we getting some ice cream right now.
You're gonna be mad.
Huh?
You're gonna be mad.
Why?
I'm not a very good recorder.
I'm gonna have to redo all this, is what you saying.
Maybe.
We get some ice cream right now. Got the new bumper in for the Z from KBD finally. So yeah, gonna go throw that on after we eat the ice cream, and y'all see that in a minute. Peace. Alright, y'all, what's up? I'm back. I ate ice cream. It's gonna be windy if I go out there, I think. Probably. What you think? We're gonna see. Anyway, got the new bumper here. Getting ready to put it on. So I'm gonna show it to you real quick. I'm gonna put a clip in here, either of the unboxing or maybe a couple pictures of how it arrived, because I think it's pretty cool how they do their bumpers and body kits and stuff like that. So yeah. This is a new one. It's pretty similar to the one that's on it, but it's not fiberglass. But it's from KBD. Of course, it needs to be painted, but we'll take it, get the body work done, and then we'll get the whole thing painted at once. So, but for those of you who don't know what's on it, it's this. Damn, I can't even get a good angle. But pretty much the same bumper. It's just got the little fins or grill, whatever you want to call it, in there. The other one doesn't. And this one is made out of fiberglass. The other one is polyurethane. So it's got a little bit more flex to it. Alright, but yeah, we're gonna get going on it. Take this old one off, and then we'll throw the new one on. And I'll show you how jacked up the old one is, because I know y'all think it's pointless to replace it with almost the same bumper. But yeah. I literally took that off with a pair of cutters because it fits so shittily that I had the zip tied so it'll hold it on there. Look at that. That's supposed to be a hole. Shit terrible. Oh well, on to better things. Alright, y'all. It's night outside now, but we got the bumper all done, and it fits pretty damn good to my liking. So, yeah, next body work and paint. But I'll show y'all again when it's daytime outside, so y'all can get a better view and look. And as far as fitment, I think it fits pretty damn good. Like, I can't complain at all. And I told y'all that I would show you the finished product of the Z whenever it was daytime outside, but it's been raining for the past few days, so I'm just not getting around to it. But here we go. Finished product. And finished product of the bumper on the Z. I think it looks really good. I'm sorry if it's windy. Because it is extremely windy today. So hopefully y'all can hear me. But it looks really good. The fitment is way better than the other bumper. Way better. So now just gotta get paint. We'll get something to cover that open piece in there to make it look a little better. But yeah, gotta get some body work done. Get that fixed for sure. That's the next step of the process. Getting that fixed. And then yeah, a couple little dents and dings. This will fix it. One right there. And then yeah, hopefully we can get this thing repainted to where it looks good. One color. So comment below if y'all think y'all know what color. It's a work in progress, but it's coming along. So yeah. But overall, I really like the new bumper and how it's made the front end of the car look and the fitment and everything like that. But for now, it's D-Mark, Dream Driven Media, and we out. Peace.